Like many great achievements, it started with one person and one dream. In 1912, Carl Laemmle formed Universal Pictures and began the unorthodox practice of inviting the public on tours of his movie studio. Fans were given a rare glimpse behind the camera. But as the silent film era ended, our story began. In 1964, Universal opened its doors to the public, investing $4 million to build food courts, parking lots, and restrooms, giving way to the first working movie studio and theme park all in one.
Do come to Universal Studios. You'll have the time of your life getting scared to death.
Tours were all aboard one-of-a-kind Glamor Trams that threaded their way through what would soon be called the backlot.